Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by gathering what Instagram needs: your exact username, the email or phone tied to the account, and access to a device you commonly used. Once done, make sure you're on a stable Wi-Fi or cellular connection and disable VPNs because they can trigger security checks. Next, open the Instagram app or website and go straight to the login screen. Choose Forgot Password so you can proceed without entering a 2FA code. Stepping into account recovery. You'll follow Instagram's alternative recovery flows to bypass code entry, tap Need More Help, and pick the method linked to your account, email, or phone. If those aren't available, request account support, then enter recent details like full name, previous passwords, and device types you used. Explain clearly why you can't receive codes. Instagram uses this info to verify identity, so be precise. Once submitted, monitor the email you provided. Responses typically include steps to regain access without a code. You complete recovery by following the link Instagram sends to your verified email. Set a strong new password and log in from your trusted device. Once inside, immediately check security settings, remove unfamiliar devices, update contact info, and turn on a backup method like an authenticator app or recovery codes for future access. If the support route stalls, reply to Instagram with screenshots showing failed code delivery or error messages and a clear timeline. Doing so speeds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.